Can we please go outside and play now, Mum? Can we?
Of course, Maddie. Oh, but there's quite a wind still. Maybe you should put your coat on?
Okay, Mum.
Oh, and hold on tight to your origami bird. You don't want it to blow away.
Okay, Mum. Whee! Look at my paper bird, Triggs, just flying on the breeze.
The wind is still so strong, Maddie, blowing all these leaves around. Woof!
My paper bird is flying on the wind too. Oh no, my bird! It's blown away.
I'll fetch it. Come back, birdie. Oh, the wind blew a big leaf right into my face. A big wet leaf. Oh.
Oh, I can't believe I lost my paper bird already.
Mrs. S did say to hold on tight.
I know, but... Hey, stop it, silly wind. Taking my bird and now messing up my hair. I hear you, wind, blowing about for no reason. The wind is picking us up, Triggs.
Oh, we're flying, Maddie. The wind wants to tell us something.
I'm not sure I want to know.
All up and away we blow. I can move fast or I can move slow. Hold on tight and don't let go. Let's get blown away. I can swirl around the leaves, sway the flowers and dance with the trees. I can be a gentle breeze. Let's get blown away.
Okay, I admit it. I'm in